My name is Tom. I'm originally from Budapest, and I'm the owner of the GuitarLesson.com, which is a website that provides video guitar lessons to beginner guitar students. So I got started with the guitar in high school, and I've stuck with it ever since. I love it ever since.
After high school, Tom caught the entrepreneurial bug and used his skills to bring in some extra cash.
So I started teaching guitar in college for beer money, basically. First, I started with some friends. Then I actually put up some little posters to get some students, and that's how it all started for me.
After college, he worked in the banking industry for about 10 years. Burnt out due to long hours, he started thinking about another path.
I sort of wanted to do something else with my life. I thought that if I can make money for other people, I would be successful at starting something for myself. Just by chance, I came across a few other guitar lesson sites, and I thought I could do that. But I didn't know anything about the internet or like online stuff.
So, not really knowing where to start, and the fact that in 2008, getting a website off the ground was a bit more difficult than it is today, Tom sought help from a friend who was a web developer.
He actually started developing a membership site for me in Drupal. While he was doing that, I started recording the lessons, and that's how it all started.
Sounds easy, right? Well, not so much. Despite being a seasoned guitar teacher, he soon found that recording videos for the site was harder than he anticipated.
When I got started recording the lessons, that was terrible. So I remember the first day of recording, I was nervous, I was sweating, I was stuttering.
But he stuck with it and eventually became a natural in front of the camera. Today, the GuitarLesson.com has grown to more than 300 lessons and counting, with new ones added on a regular basis. The site's got a few memberships to choose from. Free members get about 30 lessons, while premium memberships give access to the whole library, progress tracking, and quizzes.
Feedback's been very, very positive. I love getting the emails when people start telling me how glad they are they found the website because they're learning guitar really quickly, and that's a really cool thing about the site.
With a ton of positive feedback as motivation to keep going, there's no sign of turning back to that banking job anytime soon.
When I worked at the bank, I was working from 8:30 in the morning till 10 at night. But with a website, you can choose your own hours. And once you set up your automations, everything becomes seamless, basically. So having the time to be with my family, that's priceless, basically. So I love the fact that I can actually have a full-time normal income by helping people and to be able to make money out of what I love doing.
Back in 2009, Tom migrated the site over to WordPress. As someone who uses his site as a full-time income, he not only needs a dependable platform, but something that's quick and easy to upload regular content to.
Adding content to WordPress is very, very easy. I mean, it's as easy as uploading the video, adding some text, choosing a few of the variables that go with each lesson.
While content is the cornerstone of the site, handling membership sales and everything that goes along with it is crucial for running a membership business. There are a lot of solutions out there, and stuff can get complicated fast.
After I migrated to WordPress, I used a membership plugin called S2Member, which worked, but it wasn't all that great.
So, Tom went on the hunt to find a membership plugin that would best fit his business needs.
I tested all of the membership plugins that were available, and I found MemberPress to be the best one in terms of performance and also value. Even though it costs more than many of the other ones, you get so many more features that you will probably end up paying other people to program for you if you choose a cheaper one.
So, the GuitarLesson.com officially became a MemberPress site. Turns out, the plugin's features are a perfect fit for online classes.
My favorite features are the drip feed functionality. If I have a totally beginner student, I don't really want to dump everything on them all at once because that'll be just like information overflow. So it's best to have them grow at a steady pace. I also love the cart abandonment feature, and that's like worth its weight in gold. I also love how MemberPress is integrated with PayPal so seamlessly. Another great thing about MemberPress is the level of support you guys provide. So a lot of other plugins, they'll just write like responses that are either incoherent or don't help or whatever. But you guys will give me like actual code, and then everything starts working. So I've never experienced that anywhere else, basically.
Get started on your guitar journey at theguitarlesson.com. Also, got a skill or knowledge you want to share with the world? Create an online course site on WordPress and start monetizing. With MemberPress, easily build online courses with a drag-and-drop builder, sell them with ease, and offer videos, digital downloads, and much more. Create online memberships, accept credit cards and digital wallets, and set up a paywall, all right on WordPress. Visit MemberPress.com to get started today. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.